What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to turn on and turn off Bluetooth on Ninebot scooters, actually suitable for many other scooters as well, not only Ninebot, but the logic is very simple here. So actually, as you see, the scooter is fully disabled, and currently I will open the app, the Ninebot app, for example, on my phone. As you see, Bluetooth disabled, on my phone Bluetooth enabled, and as you see, Bluetooth automatically turn on, and then I can control my scooter, I can turn on, turn it off, and change the settings. So if you close the app, the scooter will be automatically disconnected. As you see, I force stop it here, so the Bluetooth logo disappeared. Also, if you disable Bluetooth on your phone, it will be same logic, the Bluetooth here will be disconnected. What's the special here is that on Ninebot scooters, Bluetooth is always turned on, and there is no possibility to turn it off using the app. The only way is to dismantle your scooter, and in your main board you can just there is switch here 1 and 0. So if you put a switch on 0, the Bluetooth will be off. So it's good for storing the scooter, because when you put it on like winter storage for 3-4 months, usually it's fully discharged with the time and battery will be degrading. So I suggest to disable it or charge it each month. Actually, when you normally use it, it's also all time consuming your power, and actually it's very strange that it's consuming that much power. If you leave your scooter for some time, it will be discharged again. So the only way to disable again is to dismantle it here. I have the separate video how to do it, and disable the connector. But in order to turn on Bluetooth, you already mentioned before, you just open the app, Segway app, and it's automatically connecting and Bluetooth is working here.